Good morning class. Today we are discussing about first unit second chapter, that is poem My Mother. So here the poem name is My Mother and the poet is Rabindranath Tagore. Do you all know about Rabindranath Tagore? The great national anthem of our country was given by Rabindranath Tagore only. So the poem name is My Mother. So what the child is saying about their mother and how they remember their mother, that all should be there in this poem. So I will read and I will explain. I cannot remember my mother, only sometime in the midst of my play. A tunes, here the child is saying that I cannot remember my mother, but when I am going to play, in the middle there was a in the play, if he started playing in the middle of his or her playing, a tune of some song that she used to hum while having. So if the child is, or if the girl or boy is playing in the middle of her play or middle of his play, if he listen a song which is so much pleasant, then he used to remember that during the boy childhood, that is in the, if the boy is in infant age, that is we are not able to walk also properly. In that age we used to sleep in cradle, and our mothers used to sing a beautiful song, and that is moving our cradle. So when we grow up, when we are playing, we hear some of the songs, and we will thought that the songs are like our mother humming during the weaving of the cradle. This is all about the first para. I cannot remember my mother but when in the early autumn morning the smell of the showy flowers float in the air, the scent of the morning service in the temple comes to me as a scent of my mother. So in the second para, it is telling that I cannot remember my mother, but when the smell of the showy flowers, the showy flowers is the red color flowers. So when the smell of the showy flowers comes near us, we smell that scent. Generally the flowers the flower smell comes from the morning temple. So when we smell that when we take the smell of that flowers, or when we can sense that, or when we sense the smell of the flowers, the scent looks like, or the scent feels like our mother smell. So this is all about this para. I can't remember my mother, only when from my bedroom window I send my eyes into the blue of the distant sky. I feel that the stillness of the mother gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. So here the child is saying that I can't remember my mother only when, if sometimes in our bedroom when we are alone, we will see from the window we will see the sky when the atmosphere is very nice. So in the sky is very blue, then the sky we see our mother's smiling face near the sky, or near our window, the mother face is looking like very happiness and smile on the sky or near the window we will see. So by seeing that we will remember our mother. So here the main motto or the main moral of this poem is, do not forget your mother, because when we that is when we don't know anything, she used to tell us many stories, how to walk, how to eat, and how to. So don't forget our mother, because mother is our part of life, and father is also very important, but mother plays a main role in our life. So this is all about this poem. This is all about this. The poem is all about a mother only. So Rabindranath Tagore is the poet. Hope you understand. Thank you.